What I get, my favorite, honestly, is Brian. Like, I like Brian. When I get Paul Walker, I run. I love the fans.
But this I will say, without a doubt, that the fate of Holland and Belgium, like that of Poland.
So first of all, let me assert my firm belief that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
And words seem so futile, so feeble. I can only say that thank you for the honor of inviting me here.
Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Creyeron que después de nuestras victorias militares nos iban a aplastar en el campo de la información.
It means a lot for Tribeca just to get people back down here, because for this part of New York, it's been hard. It's the last place to go, you know. For people would go, and you know, uptown New York.
In the past 12 years, I can honestly say that one of my greatest pleasures has been my association with people like yourself.
Que enteramente lo llena. Porque yo nunca he olvidado España y siendo cada vez al extranjero se vuelve uno más español aún. Pero
la bestialidad imperialista. Bestialidad que no tiene una frontera determinada ni pertenece a un país determinado.
Meine Arbeit für richtig hältst, ob du glaubst, dass ich fleißig gewesen bin, dass ich gearbeitet habe, dass ich mich in diesen Jahren für dich eingesetzt habe.
سنزحف أنا والملايين لتطهير ليبيا شبر شبر، بيت بيت، دار دار، زنقة زنقة، فرد فرد، حتى تتطهر البلد.
Well, I'm sure it works, and you've got to have faith it'll work, or else you'll be reduced to some kind of, you know.
Let us all together thank God for this beautiful occasion where we can all together proclaim.
Thank you so very much. Thank you, NSYNC. I am so proud to call you my friends. You're all so wonderful.
Río Negro, lunes 29 de noviembre de 1993. Señor embajador de Alemania en Colombia.
I'm speaking to you at what I know is an increasingly challenging time, a time of disruption in the life of our country.
You know, the fundamental problem here is that headphones are a miraculous thing. You put on a pair of headphones and you get the same experience you get with a great pair of speakers, right?
I think all our society is run by insane people for insane objectives. You know, and I think that's what I sussed when I was
Well, we just want to make, we want to make our music, and just because you made lots of money and you're successful doesn't mean you've got to, that's enough.
Sport has the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people.
Who knocks out everybody and no one can whoop him. That's when that little Cassius Clay from Louisville, Kentucky came up and stopped Sonny Liston, the man who annihilated Floyd Patterson twice. He was gonna kill me.
We're not on this stage just because of talent or ability. We're up here because of 4 a.m. We're up here because of 2-a-days or 5-a-days. We're up here because we had a dream and let nothing stand in our way.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Рабочая крестьянская революция, о необходимости которой все время говорили большевики.
Whereas to the people have a voice inside of them that talk to them, That is the voice that these people must listen to, because in everything you're going to do,
now. We've got some difficult days ahead. But it really doesn't matter with me now. Because I've been to the mountaintop.
There was a little girl that I was seeing quite often over there that her father was in the Air Force, and actually they only got over there about 2 months before I left. I was seeing her, and she was at the airport.
بشرفي وبمعتقدي أن أصون استقلال العراق.
My father, when I born in a small town, in hinterland of Brazil, called Three Hearts. I born in Three Hearts.
Space is open to us now, and our eagerness to share its meaning is not governed by the efforts of others. We go into space because whatever mankind must undertake, free men must fully share.
Electric power is everywhere present in unlimited quantities. It can drive the world's machinery without the need of coal, oil, gas, or any other fuel.
Yes, it's a very happy time. I'm happy to be back. As I said, it's my hometown.
Yes.
Well, you're a happy girl now. When you go to London? Yes, I'm much happier though.
Whatever the result of the mission that brought me to London, I know that I shall carry with me the present day.
Completely understanding who Bob Dylan is because that would be a lie. I mean, we don't know who Bob Dylan is. And I think that's the movie's trying to preserve his mystique in that way.
I'm a lot more comfortable. I'm older now, I mean, you pretty much get it down pat after 16 years of it. You know what I mean? I'm a lot more fluid.
Es que yo he visto jugar muchos equipos bien. Yo creo que la Holanda del 74 es incomparable. Claro, a mí me pareció que
if you're going to listen to an artist consistently and it's your favorite artist, you most definitely should understand who it is that you're looking into or listening to.
With an act of humanity, with the maintaining of cultural values, and not least with a measure of
hell when you can't be around your peers. All my life I grew up around black people, poor people, but I can't live around poor people now because they'll rob me. And why would they rob me? Because they're starving, because there's no money here. But they're telling me.
オバマ大統領、ハリス司令官、ご列席の皆様、そしてすべてのアメリカ国民の皆様。
Collège américain de radiologie et de la Société américaine de radiologie pour le témoignage d'estime qu'elle m'a apporté ici et auquel je suis extrêmement.
Dave came up with the drum beat, and we just built the song off of the drum. And the riff, yeah. He came up with the drum beat, and then he showed me the riff, you know? And it was really simple, and we thought, well, this could work.
I came to Chicago with $40 in my pocket. My son is now 12. I'm still married, and I love my wife dearly. We had to make a living. I was younger than I am.